Today, we're solving a business and innovation question about research and development spending. We will keep it simple, visual, and very intuitive. We will compare current spending and cumulative spending, and then answer the question: the benefits of current and cumulative expenditures for camera or drone product research and development do not include which option. First, let's build intuition. Think of research and development as money and effort that you put into a product over time. Current spending is what you spend this year, while cumulative spending is the total amount spent over many years. Let's draw a simple timeline to visualize that. Each bar shows the spending for a year, and the cumulative amount is the sum of all those bars. Now, let's clarify the benefits of current versus cumulative spending. Current spending gives immediate progress. It pays for prototype builds, testing equipment, new sensors, and short-term design improvements. Cumulative spending builds long-term advantages. It builds up engineering know-how, patented technology, better supply chain relationships, and strong product platforms that help future models. Let's put these side by side so we can compare. Now, let's answer the question: the benefits of current and cumulative expenditures for camera or drone product research and development do not include which of the following. We'll list 4 possible answers. 3 of them are real benefits. 1 of them is not a benefit. Let's analyze the options carefully. Option A says improved product performance. That is absolutely a benefit. Current spending pays for better cameras, better stabilizers, or new flight software. So A is a benefit. Option B says accumulated technical knowledge. That is a core benefit of cumulative spending. Over time, the team learns and improves. So B is a benefit. Option C says stronger long-term product platform. That is also a benefit of cumulative spending. You can reuse your electronics, firmware, and design tools for the next generation. So C is a benefit. Option D says guaranteed immediate profit increase. This is not a guaranteed benefit. R and D does not promise instant profits. It often costs money first, and profits may come later or not at all. Therefore, option D is the answer. Let's recap clearly. Current spending helps create prototypes and short-term improvements. Cumulative spending builds long-term strengths like knowledge, patents, and platforms. But none of that guarantees an immediate profit increase. That is why the correct answer is option D. If you remember one thing, remember this: research and development builds capability and future value, but it does not guarantee instant profits.